Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix most Windows 11 system errors using a few built-in commands. First, click the Start button. In the search box, type CMD. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because these commands need full system access. When the command prompt window opens, we will start with a system image repair. Type the following command and then press Enter. dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command checks the Windows system image and downloads missing or damaged files from Windows Update. Make sure your internet connection is active. The process can take some time, so be patient and do not close the window. After the dsm scan finishes, we will scan system files. In the same command prompt window, type this command and press Enter. sfc/scano. This tool checks all protected system files and replaces corrupted ones automatically. Let it run until it reaches 100%. This step helps fix crashes, missing features, and random system errors. Next, we will check your hard drive for file system errors and bad sectors. If you close command prompt, open it again as administrator using the same steps as before. Now type the following command and press Enter. chkdsk:/f/r. This command scans the C drive and fixes disk errors. If your Windows is installed on a different drive, replace C with the correct drive letter. You may be asked to schedule the scan for the next restart. If so, type Y and press Enter, then restart your computer. After your PC boots back up, Windows will complete the disk check. Once everything is done, your system should be more stable and many common Windows 11 errors should be fixed. Thanks for watching.